For decades, the BMW 3 Series has reigned supreme. Its M340i xDrive is the undisputed benchmark for the modern sports sedan. Precision engineering, relentless performance, a badge synonymous with driving excellence, a golden standard, meticulously refined. But can an icon truly return to challenge this established order? Nissan dares to ask, is the legend reborn or just a memory? Mark your calendars. Late 2027 heralds a seismic shift in the automotive landscape. History is poised to change. This is Project Heartbeat, Nissan's emotional return to its performance roots, a reimagined icon. Built upon Nissan's revered advanced rear-wheel drive platform, this is engineering excellence redefined. Prototypes conquered the legendary 25-kilometer Stelvio Pass. It proved its mettle over 600 demanding kilometers. Charging stops were minimal. Its advanced powertrain recharges faster than you can savor a quick espresso. A twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6, unleashing up to 450 horsepower. This is pure, unadulterated driving passion. Forget old prejudices. Its performance-tuned suspension transforms this potent sedan into a true cornering king. Precise, engaging. Every input translates into immediate, exhilarating response. A driver's connection unlike any other. Inside, a cockpit crafted for command, ergonomic perfection meets cutting-edge technology for an immersive experience. The starting price is $64,000, but the true value lies in minimal operating costs and a robust warranty. Practicality remains. The trunk, a cavernous space, swallows gear and luggage with ease, boasting 382 liters. This is not just a performance machine. It is a smart, versatile sedan ready for daily demands and spirited escapes. The choice looms: an established legend or a returning titan. The sports sedan landscape has a new contender. Are you ready to trade your loyalties for this potent future? Or is tradition unbreakable? The debate ignites. The 2027 Nissan Skyline, a challenge to every perception. What's your verdict? The numbers speak. 450 horsepower, rear-wheel drive with manual option, starting at $64,000. Compare the contenders. The Skyline offers compelling performance, heritage, and driver focus against its German rival.